Siberian Cleaning Premium Kedrovitsa. Siberian Cleaning Kedrovitsa is the ideal way to gently cleanse and rejuvenate the entire body. The cleansing has on the body healing effect. The richest part of the Siberian cleansing Kedrovitsa makes the process of cleaning, softness. Cleaning takes place without stress, and it fills the cells with all necessary during the cleaning. Properties for 79 days cleansing effect on the body. Turpentine of cedar and members of the oils leads to the restoration of the lymphatic system and related problems, the spine with muscle, heart, small intestine, lung, colon, liver, gallbladder, spleen, stomach, etc. Cleansing the blood increases the content of phagocytes, which destroy viruses and foreign pathogens in the body, bacteria, viruses and parasites. Glands and organs of the body are refreshed and begin to work harder, better and more effective.